The question is penny and charity, and the level of question is easy. Okay, so we have given some problem statement. Let's see the problem statement. There is a charity which has n people. Okay, and people wants to donate. Sorry, Penny wants to donate some of her clothes to the charity in such a way that all people will receive equal clothes and each individual receives more than one. If she has m clothes with her, what is the maximum number of clothes one individual can get? Okay, so in this problem statement, there are n number of peoples and Penny has some clothes and he wants to uh, donate his some clothes uh, in equal parts, and each individual should receive more than one cloth. Okay, so we have to find the maximum number of clothes one individual can get. Okay, so this is a functional problem, so we just need to complete this function, and here are some constants is given, that is m and n is less than equals to 1000. Okay, and what we need to do in this, we have to return the maximum number of clothes one individual can get. If it is impossible to distribute clothes, return -1. Okay, so we have to print the number of clothes where one individual can get, and if it is impossible to distribute the equal clothes, then simply we have to return the -1. Okay, so let's see some example. Here are some example is given, that is 6 is the number of people and 20 is the number of clothes. So 6 number of people. Okay, so 620 divided by 6. So each individual can get three equal clothes. Okay, so output is 3. Okay, and in second output, that is 8 and 5, it is impossible to distribute the clothes in equal amount, so uh, output should be -1. Okay, so let's try to run or code it. Okay, so first what we need to do, we have to write one condition, that is for uh, the peoples, that is n, and the clothes, that is both are less than equals to 1000. So first we'll write one condition, that is if n is less than equals to 1000. Okay, and the second is m is less than equals to 1000. Okay, so we have written this condition. Okay, okay, so now what we need to do, that is uh, there are n number of peoples and Penny has m number of clothes. So if the number of peoples are less than the number of clothes, then only we can distribute the clothes in equal amount. So here we'll write another condition, that is if n is less than m, then only we can distribute the clothes in equal amount. Okay. Okay. So we have written one condition. Now we have to distribute the clothes. So here we'll write the one condition. So we'll take one variable integer result equals to number of clothes, that is m, and divide by n. Okay, so that is the this is the condition to check the mm, number of clothes, equal number of clothes we can distribute among each individuals. Okay, so we have written this statement. Now we have to check the condition, that is each individual receives more than one cloth. So for this we have to write one more condition, that is if result is less than result is not equals to 1, that is this one, that each individual should receive more than one cloth. So we'll write this condition: if this is true, result is not equals to 1, then simply return result. Okay, and else what we have to return minus 1. Okay, okay. Mm, okay, we have written that else condition. This is for this return minus 1. Okay, okay. Mm, here again we write we need to write here also else for this if we have to write the else condition. We have to return minus 1. Okay, okay. And for this if condition, here also we need to write one condition, and in here we have to print return if both of these are false, means not the both of these are not true, then we simply return 0 at the end. Okay, so now let's try to run the output. It's 6 and 20. We'll give the input 6 and 20, and let's try to run the code. Let's see the output. Okay, output is 3. Oh, output is correct. Now let's try the second test case, that is 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Now let's try to run. The output should be -1. So let's see, output is -1. That means our code is correct. Okay, so now let's try to submit the code and let's see all the test cases will pass or not. Okay, okay. Here are one test case was failed. So why? So first we have taken n is less than equals to 1000 and m is less than equals to, okay, so here we have made one mistake, that is we have written m is less than equals to 100, but m should be m is also less than equals to 1000. Okay, so now let's try to submit and let's see the test case is pass or not. Okay, see, now all the test cases are passed. We are doing uh, this one mistake, that's why one test case was failed. Okay, that's it.